So I was just playing around. I wanted to see what's out there and just have a look at it.
It is the morning of my life again, and the wind upon my back seems to whisper, why go home?
And you have the lyrics here. Let's have a listen to another one.
Welcome to nowhere.
And one more here. It's called Suno AI, and it makes music from the prompts. Yeah, I know. It's crazy. The world's gone crazy, but it is possible. You can make music, and you know what's the best part about it? You can use it on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikTok without any copyright issues because you made it. I mean, you haven't made it, you just put a prompt there, but that's about it. And I know a lot of people that need music for their projects as well, so this opens up a lot of opportunities. But first of all, I want to tell you that this is not some kind of a get-rich-quick scheme, or that I'm not going to tell you that you're going to be a millionaire the next month, like live in Dubai, whatever. Forget about it. You just have to start with this one, and you have to explore by yourself whether this is going to work for you or not. So, if you have any interest in music whatsoever, just forget about perfection and just start doing it, right? I'll show you how to do it, and I'll show you some of the ways in which you can potentially make money with it. So let's just start with it. First of all, just Google for it. I'm not affiliating for it. You can use it for free. Suno AI, it's going to be the first result. It's suno.com. When you land here, you're just going to have to make yourself an account, right? And this is the button which is going to make you music, right? Let me just increase the size of this. So this is create button. You click on it. You can use your Apple, your Google account, basically whatever you want to use. And then you will get this intro in which they ask you whether you're interested in writing your own lyrics or choosing a particular musical style. So I used both of these, and I really think that lyrics, it's harder, right? So it's harder to get it right. But if you want to do it, here's the place to enter your own lyrics, or you can just write with Suno. This is like a language model that Suno has. Probably works on ChatGPT. Yeah, probably. Then you just select the style of music, then persona, title, workspace, and all of that. But please, Firstly, click here. You see there's a custom version. Click here and do the simple version first, right? And with this one, you only have to give it a prompt. So you can just see, you can just feel it, right? Down there, if you need any ideas, you can click on this button here and it'll give you some of these ideas. So you can just go and, play with it. Let's just use this one, activity. And here you just have to fill this out. So I'm going to a party with my friends and I want to feel energetic, let's just say. And our favorite genre of music is, let's just say, house. And click on create button here. And of course, it'll start doing its magic. Gotta tell you as well, it is fast. You don't have to wait, there are no longer waiting times. But once again, the first results might be good to you, but if you want to get if you want to go the extra mile and actually make money out of this, which is not going to replace your 9-to-5 job, I got to tell you that this is going to be a side hustle at the start. But if you want to do it right, you have to spend some time on it, right? So that's it. You could watch this video, you could watch another 10 videos on it, but until you get there and spend a few hours just, playing with it, just exploring and testing out, nothing's going to happen. So, yeah. And here it is. So this is done. So it's called Party All Night. As you can see, it's electronic, house, and you get two of these. So let's just have a listen at the first one.
Dancing lights fill the room tonight. Bodies move in the neon light. Beats so loud, can't hear my voice. In this crowd, I have no choice. Party all night till the break of dawn.
Now, this is totally, totally good. I have a problem with lyrics, though. They're too general. It's just like party all night till the break of dawn, but the beat is good. The beat is really good. Let's have a listen to the second one. Seems like the lyrics are the same.
Dancing lights fill the room tonight. Bodies move in the neon light. Beats so party all night till the break of dawn. Feel the rhythm.
I actually like the first one more, but then you will always choose yourself, and then it is time to sell this actually. So, how to sell this? First of all, you can make yourself an Instagram page or YouTube Shorts channel where you just showcase this and effectively market yourself for your website, right? Or you can just make yourself a gig on Fiverr. I've seen a lot of people doing it. They just make a gig and they just offer this service to other people, right? And it's not going to be easy, right? This is not your usual content. This is just for music lovers. If you make yourself a gig, you have to market yourself and you have to use social media, right? Don't consume social media unless it is for research. Trust me, they're here to take every second of your life. Just do research. And here's what I was telling you about. This is the music on Fiverr. So I just typed in music, and there's a lot of these people producing music, and they're called like ghost music producer. And you can do it with AI. And you can sell this to other people. As you can see, per song, it is $25, $50, $30, $40. But as I've told you, this is not something that's going to make you rich overnight. Nothing like that exists anymore. You will have to be patient with it, and you will have to dedicate yourself to it. Now, one way of getting yourself some reach is, of course, Instagram. And I found this, like, for example, AI songs, music, where this person is promoting his Spotify list. Maybe he's making some money there. That's a possibility as well. I found this one as well. This is for another music generator. It's called Donna. But my idea was to get yourself out there with some usual content and just maybe 30 seconds of each track you made, offering this to content creators. There's a lot of content creators out there, and YouTube, Instagram, all of these are still growing, right? They went public, they have their shareholders, they need to grow, right? So they will expand, and there's tons of creators out there. And all those creators, they need music, and they need it fast, right? So if they give you the vibe, if they give you the genre, if they just give you the style, you can do it for them for a price. And trust me, there's tons of content creators out there. And, those are your customers. And as I've told you, YouTube, Instagram, they all want to expand. There's always going to be more and more content creators because, well, that's the world we live in today. So go and play with Suno. Just click on the create button here. You don't have to go the route that I was using with these ideas. You can just go and place a prompt here. So like this, let's just say that your customer wants something romantic. Let's just say like romantic song for a background. And for example, you can just choose it to be instrumental, click on create, and this is how it's gonna sound like. So let's just have a listen. Yeah, so it's good for effects too, and we know that people need those. So that's about it. Music can make you some money, but of course you gotta work for it, and you gotta work hard. So yeah, wish you good luck, and I'll catch you in the next one.